If you have a court order or an agreement where you and your spouse both agree or are ordered to sell your home and they are doing everything in their power to avoid the sale, you have options. You could potentially file a motion for specific performance to force them to do that, to make sure the house is sold. You could file a motion to force the sale of the home and have a trustee appointed. In that situation, your spouse would not necessarily be needed to sign any documentation because the trustee would be empowered with signing any documents necessary to make sure that the sale actually happens. So it may take going to court to make this happen, but if you properly draft an agreement, or if the terms in the judgment of absolute divorce are clear about when a sale is supposed to happen, or what happens in the event that someone fails to comply with the terms of the agreement or court order, the language should have something along the lines of having the other party be required to pay any attorney's fees for you having to force them to do what they are legally obligated to do in the first place. So it may be a cost up front, but in the end, you will have a sale and they will ultimately likely have to pay your attorney's fees.